If you're struggling to drop a habit that you've been holding on to, that's normal. We all have those. And habits feel like a battle with yourself, but you're showing up today, and that's already a huge step. So I'm here to help you release some of that attachment to this habit so you can start moving forward without carrying the habit or the shame or the guilt of it, or your shame and guilt of or frustration with yourself about not having been able to drop it. We don't need to carry that forward either. So I've kept this general in this video, saying this habit, you can focus on that because your brain knows what it means. Or you can swap it out for biting my nails or doom scrolling or whatever it is that you do. They're all topics I could do individual videos on at some point, but this will help you to be able to come back for any habit anytime. Check in with yourself on a scale from 1 to 10 with this habit and see how you feel after the tapping about it. And really focus on any feelings or memories that come up when you think of this and this habit, and just let them process on through. Take a deep breath, tap with me, and repeat after me. Even though I can't seem to let go of this habit, I choose to accept myself. Even though I keep going back to this behavior, I honor where I am right now. Even though I feel stuck in this pattern, this habit, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. This habit is so hard to break. It feels like I keep falling back into it no matter how hard I try. I feel frustrated and disappointed with myself. I hate that I can't just let this habit go. It feels like I'm powerless against the urge to do it. I feel trapped by this habit, like I'll never be free of it. Releasing all this frustration now. Letting go of the need to keep this habit in my life. Releasing any shame or guilt I feel about not breaking free sooner. Dropping all the emotional weight of this habit. Why I started doesn't matter. I lived, I learned, it's okay to let it go. It's okay to let go of the attachment now, the behavior completely. I choose to release it now, the entire habit. Releasing it, letting it go. I'm okay, I'm safe. Whatever need was driving it, I let it go now. I can let go of this habit step by step. I am capable of change. I'm learning to simply do something different, one urge at a time. It's okay if I slip up. I'm in control of my choices. I trust myself to make a better one next time. I deserve freedom from this habit. I'm working on it. I didn't always have this habit, and I don't need it now either. I'm starting to feel lighter and more in control of this habit. Letting go of this habit with ease now. Letting go of this habit for good now. Dropping it here. I'm worthy of making this change. I'm proud of myself for showing up today. Dropping this habit completely. I release and let it go. This entire habit, I release and let it go. Breaking habits takes time, but just tapping once or twice a day can work in a few short weeks, sometimes even less. Keep being kind to yourself through the process and know that you are capable of making lasting changes. You don't have to carry this habit forever. It's okay to let it go. Like we said, you didn't always have it, so you don't have to have it now. And just keep tapping, see what that 1 to 10 scale gets until you can get it down to 0. Feel free to share in the comments or email me if there's a specific aspect to a specific habit or a habit specifically that you'd like me to do a session on. And if this session helped, then please do like and subscribe, share, and it does help me, and I really appreciate it as a channel. And you are here breaking this habit, and that's an amazing thing to do for yourself. So I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Later.